Welcome to Sakar Chess Ambernath. In this video, I am going to show you how to see your performance of tournaments played on Lichess. Due to COVID-19 situation, almost all the chess tournaments are conducted online on various platforms, and you may be playing lots of tournaments daily. Hence, it becomes necessary for parents, coaches, and students that they should know the performances in the tournaments played. Finding the performance in the tournament played on Lichess is very easy and a quick method. To know the performance in tournaments played on Lichess, there are two methods. Method 1, without signing to Lichess. This method is useful for parents, coaches and students. And method 2 is with sign in to Lichess. But for this method, you should know your own login and password. Methods shown here are for PC or laptop and not for mobile. So let's get started now. Open Google Chrome browser, type Lichess and hit enter. On the link lichess.org, click on the link. It will open Lichess homepage. Now here, click on this search bar and type the Lichess ID of the player you want to search. Here I am showing my one of students ID. As you go on typing, it will show list of IDs. So select proper ID. From the list, as soon as you select the ID, it will show the profile page of that player. So look here, the second tab, tournaments points, it is showing. So these are not the number of tournaments played but the total tournaments points. So click on that link, tournament points. It will show the number of tournaments played on the left hand side, and to the right there are three columns: games played in that tournament, points scored, and rank out of the total players in that tournament. It will show all the tournaments that have been played by the player. You can click on any tournament further and go into more details of it. Now second method is for you only, because you need to sign in the Lichess site and you only know your credentials. So as per the method 1, open the Google Chrome and type lichess.org. It will open the Lichess homepage. Now sign in with your ID. Now I am signing in with my ID. Once you are signing to Lichess, click on your user ID and now click on profile. it will open the similar profile page as shown in the method 1. Now click on the second link, tournament points, and follow the same steps to know your tournament performance. This video is only for entertainment and information. No commercial usage or copyright infringement is intended. If you like the video, please share it and like it. Also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.